But interestingly, in the book, you've also talked about the fact that the kind of controversy about who invented ancient theories, whether it was the law of gravity or various other issues. You said the BJP is not wrong in actually looking back to the Rig Vedas and ancient Indian texts, Aryabhat, much before the Western world came to this actually. But today we have somebody who says, look, we're questioning Darwin's theory of evolution. So where do you actually match the kind of pride or the really the research and the knowledge of our ancient texts and what's
theory of
happening
evolution,
today?
he should have said, has been anticipated in the various avatars of Vishnu. Because you start off with Matsya, you start off with the sea creature, who then becomes amphibious, who then becomes a tortoise walking on land, who becomes a half man, half lion, who then becomes human, becomes Ram, becomes Krishna. It's very much an understanding of evolution. So one could argue that the ancient thinkers had actually all these brilliant ideas, instead of which the man simply says that evolution makes no sense because no one has seen an ape transforming itself into a man, which I think shows the need for serious scientific education to our Council of Ministers. But no, my point was a different one in the book. What I was saying was that by saying preposterous things, like our Prime Minister saying that Ganesha's head on a human body shows that we did plastic surgery. I mean, the fact is, you imagine the smallest imaginable elephant head and the largest imaginable human neck, and you tell me, is it even possible to think of that as an actual action, as an actual transplantable commodity? No. But the truth is, India was the world's leader in plastic surgery. We actually invented surgery. As far as human records go, Sushruta was the world's first surgeon. The first instruments were found. The world's first recorded rhinoplasty operation, an operation on a human nose, was done by Sushruta, by the ancient, Vedic era scholars, surgeons. So we are discrediting the real achievements of science by saying ignorantly preposterous things about what the science was.
Right.
So you can actually look at concrete examples of genuine accomplishments, and then you can discredit them by saying there were Pushpak Vimans flying around the world, which obviously there is no evidence for, and the only text that has so far been cited by those who advance this preposterous theory was debunked in the 1920s as a forgery.